We're located in Chicago. We're known for sports. We've got a football team, 2 baseball teams, Blackhawks. We've got a lot of fun stuff, and we serve Chicago and the surrounding suburbs. It includes about 3 million people, and everybody needs hot water. Hi, my name is Mike Goode. I'm the owner of Goode Plumbing. We were founded in 2006, and we're focused on high quality and delivering best customer experience that we can. We do all of our work up to a standard, and we expect our products that we install to live up to those as well. So some of the products that we're using from Cash Acme right now include the water heater tank booster and the thermostatic mixing valve. And we got a call recently from a client that has 3 kids, and he was running out of hot water. By the time he was ready to take a shower in the morning and head out to work, there was nothing left for him. It was cold showers, and we are very confident that the tank booster we're going to be installing is going to take care of his issue. One of the things that comes up a lot is Legionella. Most water heaters in your house are set to 100 to 120 degrees, which is a perfect breeding ground for Legionella. By running your water heater to lower temperatures, you have less usable hot water. 160 degree water will disinfect or kill the Legionella. Turning the water heater up higher actually makes the water heater cycle less, so it runs more efficiently. The problem is now you have a scald risk. So with the tank booster, what that'll do is it'll allow you to turn that water heater up high enough to kill the Legionella bacteria, but it'll allow you to turn the actual outgoing water to a safe temperature. So as we started doing a tank booster, we've had 0 callbacks. It's just been a phenomenal product. My employees love installing them. They have a temperature gauge right built in. It makes setting it up really easy, and it's just a very nice, high-quality product to use. And the Cash Acme HG135 thermostatic mixing valve has been another great product that we've been working with recently. So we're going to be installing an HG135 in a bar in Wrigleyville called My Buddies. We got a call from the owner. He wanted to make sure he had the hand washing sinks and so forth hot enough for his employees, but he'd also received a number of complaints from his patrons that the water in the bathrooms was scalding hot. So I think the HG135 is going to be an excellent solution to this problem. It's a compact thermostatic mixing valve. What it does is it tempers the water down to a specific temperature. It has a lot of flexibility to control the faucet at a specific location. It's got a mounting bracket. It makes it really nice and easy to tuck up so that it's hidden from view. However, it's pretty enough where if you want to keep it in sight, we're very comfortable doing that as well. Cash Acme's been great. Then the customer support's been fantastic. Whenever something new comes out, we make a phone call. The questions are answered right then and there. Very easy to work with Cash Acme.